So, yep. Hi guys. Let's do this. Start ko na ba? Start ko na. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ito lang sasabihin ko. Kaya, sige, paglaro na tayo nito. Creepy na mukha nyo. Hindi ito yung mukha niya, like, sobrang amo. Like, alam mo yung hindi niya, wala siyang magagawang kasamaan. Gano'n. Kasamaan. Tapos to. Ay, okay na. This will also say, but then, I wish starting a new game will, yeah. Yeah, start a new game. So, ako lang mag-isa sa bahay. I don't know anong ginagawa ko. Ba't ko ito nilalaro? Yan, problemado naman tayo. This game contains loud noises, jump scares, and unsettling content. I know. Oh. I have to say if I have enough money to open my own boba tea shop. This is it. The moment where all those long corporate days finally pay off in the form of boba and drinks. But even with all this excitement, my nerves are on edge. I've put everything into this place. I can't let it fade. Basta yun, day 1. Woo! Haha. Yep. Wow. Ano yun? Yung boba tea shop natin is nasa rooftop ng building or nasa langit yung boba tea shop ko. Nakalutang. Hanep, ang taas, men. And, prepare for customers. Go to your counter. Okay. This is it. Our first customer for today. Uy, hey ma'am! Saan kayo galing, ma'am? Ano to? Parang leader ito ng mafia. Hey! Okay na, gang. Alright. It's about time of competition open around here. Yun lang? Yun lang talaga ang bibilhin mo? Eh, syempre. Kaka-ano lang natin eh. Like, hello? What? What? Black tea. Okay. Tama. Tapos to, black tea and milk. What? Oh, sige. Wait. What the fudge? Tama ba yung ginawa ko? I think, yep, mali ito. So, gawa dito lang. Black tea lang. And sunod, ito, tsaka yung milk. Tapos to. Tapos, give me this. Put there. Give me this. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung ginawa ko, men. Diba? Told you. Black tea. Tama. Ay! Shh! Ah! Ayan. Unang laro. Kababuan. Ulit. Sorry. Oh, Take 3. Take 3. Take 3, men. Take 3. Sorry, ma'am. Medyo kabado po kasi. Ito na. Sorry. Balik po kayo. Uy! Okay. Uy! Sir! Galing construction What is it? What's all this? It's milk tea with tapioca, also known as boba. These drinks are trending among shall try one. Alright then, some rum black tea. Not sure I trust those chewy things. 1 boba milk tea for my son and 1 black tea. Okay. Sama na naman, tama na. Hello? Uy! Be, hello? Hey, Boba Tea Shop. Pixies, can I get 1 fresh milk with boba, please? Thank you. Pixies should add strawberry boba to that. Okay, noted. Good. Yeah. After closing. May naglalakad, men. Uy. Hi. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting to see such a beautiful lady behind the counter. And a drink will do, as long as you add in some boba sweet as you. Isa sarap sa pakin yung mga ganito eh. Yeah. So kasi You look really cute. Can I have your number? Sige, bigyan natin yung number. Fake naman eh. Sweet night. I got the your favorite bubble tea shop and barista. Here's a little extra. Uy, thank you. Napaka-bait mo naman niya. Selection 1 for tomorrow. Nakalimutan ko sa demo, merong gento pala. Tag-ina. Ay, tumupura ako. I'll take care. Okay. Okay. Putayin na. Ha. Ha. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Man, kating. I'll take one bubble milk tea with extra pop. Man. Kalimutan ko yung nilaro to ng kaibigan mo. Ganun pala. Ay, nako. Be, ba't namumutla ka, be? Okay ka lang, be? Tapos yung mata mo, parang puyat Okay ka ba? Natutulog ka ba ng maayos? Ha? Ayan. Huwag mo nang gagawin sa susunod yun, ha? Uy, nako. Tama ka, uy. Say up, guys. So yan, guys. Wait lang. What? Yan. Upload na ako ng part 2 since Yup. Okay. Abangan nyo na ng part 2, guys. Sa YouTube channel ko. Yun lang. Thank you.